Hola, amigos, ¿cómo estás? We got some chorizo NY Cebu here. It looks like it's gonna be yummy. Sarap. This is the
Nagluto
best.
ka na.
Also making some quinoa. This is my favorite one.
Maybe you can higher a little bit. The
Yeah.
fire you think it's gonna be.
Mm.
Pinahinaan namin yung apoy para hindi siya
Smells so good.
masyadong brown. At saka nagluto tayo dito ng itlog. Ayan, nilagyan lang natin ng tubig.
Request of agoy agoy.
Gusto niya agoy ng itlog. Looks good. Ayan mga kaibigan, maraming salamat sa Chorizo NY Cebu sa kanilang chorizong malamian. Si Chris,
They make
siya,
the best chorizo.
si Chris ang nagluto mga kaibigan kasi yan ang kanyang paborito. Kaya marunong kumain, marunong magluto. Almost done.
Mm.
Mayroong avocado. Lagyan natin ng avocado. Prutas. What happened now? What happened? Did you hire anything?
Yep, I'm turning it up. I'm gonna get a little dark and a little sticky icky.
There is no work today.
Yeah, I got today off. Labor Day.
Labor DC ka no today. Keep flipping, babe, so it's gonna be brown. Avocado mix.
Starting to brown.
Starting brown.
Yep. Starting to
Keep
get there.
flipping it up.
Yep.
Back and forth. You can ayan na Flip, babe, flip. Turn. You know where's the spicy one in there?
Nope.
See, you get the caramelized on there if you
Yep.
keep flipping it. Ayan si Chris at saka naghanda tayo dito ng quinoa. Nilagyan natin ng avocado. Hinati-hati lang natin. Ayan, hindi pa siya luto ang quinoa. Gusto nila. Ayan si Chris. Mabuhay na to si Chris mga kaibigan sa bukid. Kay kumakain ng Pilipino.
Almost done.
Lapit na, Goy. Goy, hugas kamay. Hugas kamay na. Kay mga una. Move a little bit kay na, ano yun mo. She trusted the avocado. If that's good, you can stop that one.
Good?
Yeah, that should be good. If you want it burnt, you want more brown? You want more brown? You can brown it
Oh, that's
more.
good.
Okay, put in the... You can cut it. Where's the scissor? You can
I put them in the sink. Did you
you
wash
can
them?
do that. No.
Cut them. You're better at it.
Oh, ayan mga kaibigan ah. Hugas kamay, CJ! Oh,
Yeah, I'll go check on you.
look. Oh, ayan. Luto na siya. Oh, i-ano na natin, lagyan na natin sa plato nila. Okay, sit down doon kay mainit dito. Baka tatalsik ang mga mantika. Yeah. Iwan ko saan dito yung maanghang da. Hindi ko. Ay, patry ko muna kay Chris ang yung maanghang. Babe, you need to try this first. Kasi may maanghang. Try this one first. Kasi may
What
maanghang.
happened?
Try this first. Where's the spicy?
It's probably hot.
Yeah, eat it. I don't know.
Is it spicy, Daddy? Is it spicy inside?
I don't know.
No?
It might be. Yeah,
That's spicy?
I think so.
Okay, so try this one.
It's so hot. I can't tell.
Blow it, blow. Okay, I got it. Try that.
This looks like the more of the spicy color though.
Mommy.
Chris doesn't.
Uh.
What?
I think the second one was spicy.
The second one? Okay, so this is not.
It's so warm I couldn't tell.
Okay.
Both were burning my mouth.
Yan. So, this one. Ito yung, ito yung manghang. Dalawa kasing klase. Depende kasi sa'yo eh. Gusto mo ng manghang. Ayan, naghintay na sila. Naghugas na kayo ng kamay, Goy. So, ito yung hindi maanghang. Ayan. So, ano natin pa? Lagay natin dito. Alright. So, ayan na mga kaibigan, oh. Ayan, ang ating quinoa. Ready na siya. So, kunin natin. CJ, doon lang. Kay mag, ano na. Mag-ready na. Kay mga una ta.
I don't know where the remote there is.
Ito.
Mommy doesn't know how to.
Quinoa. Para siyang, ano mga kaibigan, beans. Her dada, put in their place.
Is that for me? Is that
Yes.
spicy? Alright, cool, thank you.
Spicy. Dada got the spicy.
Hang.
Dad, Mommy, did you taste that one?
Yes.
I hope.
Mommy, I don't want my sunlines, okay?
You don't want quinoa?
I put you a little bit in here.
Mommy got you egg too.
Oh, may itlog. Gusto itlog pala. Kalimutan natin mga kaibigan yung itlog dito.
There's,
Nakalimot.
oh, there's easy. Easy. Easy.
Ayan, oh.
There's
Wait lang. Wait.
Whoa. Biscuit.
Give me your plate.
The plate's over there.
Sino yan? Ito yung
That's
kay...
it. That's mine.
Where's yours?
Over there.
Where's Dada's plate?
I don't know. He put it over there.
Ah, okay.
Oh,
Here, babe. Give me your plate. You want this egg?
Sure, I'll have it.
Okay. Give me your plate, please. Let's put this one.
Mommy, why you give me too much rice on my plate?
Thank
Here.
you.
Why you give me too much rice on my plate?
Because I scatter, so it's cooler. Cool down. Sit down lang doon, kay mga hulog ito.
I'm hungry, Mama.
Oh, yep,
That's too much rice.
Okay. Ibigay mo yun kay CJ.
Want you man?
Okay, hold on. I help CJ's plate.
Blow, CJ.
Hold on. I'll get some forks. Ano ba ito, Ben?
Blow.
Herbert. Ayan, kain tayo. Kainan na sila mga kaibigan. Okay. You need help on your thing, Goy?
Yeah. I don't want to wash my hands.
Cut natin kay CG mo. Ako na kay... Uy! Oh, gusto mo? O sige, oh. Ah, sige, oh. Oh, ganyan na. Bite mo na lang ng ganyan. Blow. See, kaya, ano natin, ganun talaga, oh.
Still hot, CJ. Blow.
Blow dong. Tayo ba? Ganyan, oh. Tayo. Yan na, kain na sila. Unahin natin ang mga chikiting. Oops, wala, dumikit. Dumikit sa plato.
Mama, look at that.
Ah, ito na. Ito.
Oh,
Ah, ito na.
Mama, this.
Yeah, dumikit. Ah, okay. Ayaw mo pa lang.
Mama, this. Mama, this.
Ah, gusto pala ni CJ yung bilog talaga. Ay. Ha? Bite. Kita bite. 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 There you go. Ikaw na. You okay? Get your string.
No.
Okay. Ben. Bigoy. Kunin natin yung string.
Sarap, CJ?
Christiana.
Good?
Yan, may mga string. Oops. You like it, Goy? Si thank you, Chorizo Cebu, Inoy Cebu.
I think I got my Vice Brazil. What's that mean? Vice Brazil?
Chorizo di.
Anyone sit boot?
Chorizo, Vice Brazil.
Yes. Okay, CJ. Wait lang. Excuse na ka. Teka lang. Goy. Walang sayang si Agoy-Agoy. You need that thing, babe? The scissor for your string? Or you're fine?
Oh, I'm okay.
Good na, John? Wala ng string? Me? Okay, perfect.
Sige.
Hatiin yung jugoy, hati or fine? Bago ko ilagay ito sa kusina ang
Can I
konti.
get the most string on there?
I don't think mayroon pa ba?
Can you tell?
Wala na ata. Wala na akong nakita. Okay, okay na. What's that,
Here,
CJ?
buddy. Here. Put it down.
Daddy, he did this on you. He did this then. And what this time? That is me to see, Jen.
Okay, tubig na ako. CJ's water. Kain na. Good na. Happy na, happy, Goy? Happy na. Happy na sila.
It's a wrap.
Happy. You want some of this, CJ? Huh? Yes?
You like beans.
Yes?
I don't know if you like black ones, but you like beans. You know that.
That's on yesterday. So tonight, my put some.
Wow, Chris is already finished.
That's
Finished already your chorizo?
Yep.
No.
You like it?
No.
Okay.
You don't like the beans?
Yun, akong kakain. Ang galing kumain ka na. Okay. Wait in here. Thank you, bud.
No.
No, what? Nantok na sidya. Tubig, tubig, tubig. Tubig, tubig, tubig. You okay?
You okay, buddy?
I'm done, Mama.
Finish?
Can I do a test that we go swimming? No.
Not yet.
Remember this one?
CJ
Yeah,
is
but
not done yet.
your tummy's got to settle too before swimming.
Hey, can you swim in the pool with me?
After later, when the tummies are
After you
settled,
finish eating.
tummies are settled.
When I already finished eating. Eat all that. Right? Daddy, doesn't look like you. Doesn't look like you?
Mm-hmm.
Mama, can you see?
What's wrong with your mouth?
What? What are you doing, guys?
She put quinoa on her
Anyway,
face. And now
um,
she wanted to look at herself.
And look at the mustache.
She made a mustache of quinoa.
okay, we can wipe it. I think. Excuse me.
Excuse you.
I eat more and make a more heart.
Go on. You
Me?
can do that.
Can I have one? Thank
All
you.
of them. You can have all of them.
Michana, you need to get your tummy full.
I need the chocolate. That's what I need.
Let your tummy settle. Relax.
Where's the chocolate bag?
Remember the CJ.
Mommy, why you got pickles?
Those are pickle seeds? How'd you get pickle seeds, Mommy? TJ,
What pickle?
they good?
These pickle seeds. Over here.
The wrap?
Busog na sa agoy-agoy. Si CJ. Maligo na sila mga kaibigan pagkatapos nilang kumain. Nagutom pa si Chris. Nakulangan si Chris sa chorizo.
Sarap.
Nakulangan si Kano. O sige mga kaibigan, ubusin niya ni Kano ang pagkain ni Agoy-Agoy. Magbabay na kami. Salamat.